Today, I'm sharing some thrift store secrets that I wish I would have known years ago. First, don't judge an item by where it's sitting. I found hidden treasures in places that I would never expected. Somebody just put it in the wrong place. And guess what? It's mine. Second, always check the quality versus the brand. A well made product is so much better than a name brand that's simply worn out. My third thing is visit often. Thrift stores generally put out new products every day. So today's empty shelf could be tomorrow's best find. And finally, it's okay to walk away. Just because something is inexpensive doesn't mean that you need to buy it, especially if you don't need it. And remember, thrifting isn't about buying more, it's about buying smart. Now, tell me in the comments what was one of the best finds you found at your local thrift store. And follow Everyday Savvy for more everyday saving tips and thrift finds. See ya.